Jobs are what we're looking for in this country, and this is a perfect opportunity to create the jobs that we need in this country, and especially in this community, whether it be Medford or anywhere else in Suffolk County. You come here tonight to try to inform the people as to what this means for people on Long Island, for people in Suffolk County. But what you got here are people who won't let you speak, are threatening to throw you out if you open your mouth. They'll allow dialogue between themselves to support their position, but anybody else isn't allowed to talk.
We are not criminals, we are not crooks, we are taxpayers. It is the melting pot of Suffolk County. It's everyone. We are the neighbors. The same neighbors that are upstairs in opposition, you have the same neighbors that are in favor of Suffolk County OTB with the VLT facility.
Well, we're looking for jobs, to upgrade the jobs. OTB does pay money back to the county and the state, so hopefully it will cut down on the taxes. It'll actually give some sort of entertainment venue around here to do.
It's a very positive thing. As a matter of fact, I train a lot of the new people that come in to work for OTB. We have a very good starting salary. It's a great job. We're treated very well, and it's the best job I've ever had.
This is a jobs issue, and we're part of the community. It's a community issue and a jobs issue. We're here to say that we can add to our community by bringing in revenue, by keeping jobs from OTB workers who are unionized.
All that money that people spend gambling, going to Atlantic City, going to Connecticut, going everywhere, they leave our county. We want to keep the money here. Let's make Suffolk the place to go.
It's going to put 150 people to work on a permanent basis. People are going to have jobs. It's huge.